fruit punch. So take your hurricane glass, keep it aside, take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add orange juice, pineapple juice, (15 ml) of freshly squeezed lime juice, and a dash of grenadine. You can just give it a drizzle. Okay, take your shaker and you can give a nice vigorous shake. To complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So you can garnish it with an orange wheel with a cherry, or you can go with a half orange and a cherry. There you go. Cheers. That's your fruit punch. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment below if you want to see more videos of whichever cocktails you want. So let me know. And until then, that's it for now. Cheers and enjoy.